Good morning, everyone. Aja here from Pandemonium. We are in Pueblo, but we're getting ready to leave and head to Canon. It's about 40 miles from here, so let's get on the road. You know what time it is.
I'm Tim Patrick, and I'm from Pueblo, Colorado. Onward bound.
Yay, we've made it here to Canon. I'm gonna go in and get some supplies, and then we're gonna see if there's any camping around here. So I bought my new hiking gear. That looks scary, doesn't it?
There's a dog park and archery range right there by the Reynolds Avenue Trailhead too.
Yeah, I saw it.
The Reynolds Avenue Trailhead first.
That's where I was going.
Why is everybody shut their engines off?
Because you were talking.
Okay, let's go.
All right. We are getting ready to go to a trailhead and hang out. It's only about a mile and a half from here, so I'll see you when we get there. We made it here to our spot. There is a hiking trail here, so I'm gonna put this on and I think we're gonna go explore. So we've come down by the river because it is much cooler in the shade. Can you believe it's gonna be in the 90s? Well, where we were in Colorado is gonna be in the 90s, like 98 in Pueblo. That's just ridiculous. So much for rushing up here for cooler weather. I know we have to get into higher elevation, but we've come here. It's supposed to be higher elevation, but not as far up as some places. It is not supposed to get any hotter than 87 or 89 degrees here, fortunately, because it is hot. Ugh. So while Terry and Scott are enjoying the water, I think we're actually going to go for a hike because the trail is shaded, so that's good. The river moves pretty fast here in certain spots. So I've been sitting on that bench for about an hour. I'm ready to get up and move. We're going to go ahead and head that way and go for a hike. Across the street there is an off-leash dog park. Ooh, look at the pretty flowers in the tree. There's another path by the road, so I think we're going to turn around and go the other way, see if there's anything better. What you doing, Moo-moo, huh? Are you relaxing? Alright, so I don't know what happened. I think it was the heat of the day. It zapped my energy. I had to take a nap. I was like, ugh, I can't take it. So, and I was going to go this way, and I couldn't go on. I came by Panda, and I was like, oh, that looks so nice. So I cut the AC on and took a nap, and now it's later in the day. I do need to fix my tire because the last time I took my bike out, it got a flat tire right as soon as we got back to base camp. So I bought a kit. I'm gonna change that now. I took my tire off. It's easy because it has a quick release right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this tire part off the rim. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
It feels like it's gonna break.
Oh, you haven't got one side off yet. Oh, okay. You get a little in, I'll get a little in. No, real close to each other.
Oh, real close.
Yeah.
This is weird.
Yeah, why is it jumping off?
Yeah, it's not. I don't think these are done very good. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it.
That's why sometimes it's good to put like WD-40 on it or something because it'll
Slide off easier.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is complicated.
Oh, just got a little one now. Come on, baby.
I have WD-40 right here. Should I put some on?
I think we're gonna be really close.
Let's push it forward.
Well, I don't know if you're gonna get that side off.
Oh,
It's getting there.
god, this is complicated. I thought it was a lot easier than this.
Well, it usually is. It's.
You want some WD-40?
Yeah, that might help a little.
It's right here.
That thing broke.
I know.
I didn't know that.
It popped me in the face. You didn't see that?
No, I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
So what you want to do is kind of know where the stem is, so it's between the A and the T.
Right.
When we fill it up with air and find where the hole is,
Okay.
we know to check around that area of the tire to make sure there's not a hunk of metal or something through it.
Oh, okay. This is big out. Okay, there it goes. I got it. So let's take this out. It still has air in it, but it's a weird looking thing.
Mick didn't come along and let the air out of your tire while you slept at night, did he?
Alright, so we've got the patch on, the tube back in. It was actually easier getting it back on than it was getting it off. But anyways, we got to inflate it and make sure it doesn't go flat. Well, it is all done. We matched up this PSI to the one that was already on there. So I'm going to reinstall this tire. Oh, thank you. Ooh.
BLT lettuce wrap.
That looks amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yummy. So my bike is all done, fixed. I'm gonna eat this yummy wrap and then go for a little bike ride. This is the Arkansas Riverwalk Reynolds Trailhead, but it closes at dusk and it's dusk, so we're not gonna go that far. Sniff, sniff, moo-moo. So beautiful here. You gonna go for a swimmy poo? No? Okay. Wow, right under the bridge. Look at that. The river's running pretty fast here. Alright, we're getting ready to turn around because unfortunately it is almost dark. Oh my god, it's so freaking beautiful out there. You can't see nothing because it's getting too dark. Ugh, I'll put the camera down. It's just amazing. Okay, well, I'm gonna come back here tomorrow because I want to actually explore this trail. See you tomorrow.